We are in Empire Park in Denver, and take a look, blue monitor. Cool. That one just left. That one is on 2. That one's broken, and that one's sitting in the basement. Now, as far as I can tell, these are original US Logic. I mean, these look pretty original and everything except the cab and the fixtures, so I would be willing to wager these are on their old US controllers. And you'll see why in a minute. What was that? Okay, see that has a... Ooh, that's a bell, before I say any more. Ooh, the old bell. Let's hear that. And it left. But yeah, as I was saying, so that on its own is like, I don't know, that little glitch that nice, but that little glitch that happened was very reminiscent of US Logic. Also the fact that these pre-door. Nice.
For future reference, John, let's do one. Oh, sorry.
Can we go across on any other?
No, we should actually get down on B. Sorry about that.
That's all right.
I'm just, no, you're all good. I'm just recording for, I just like elevators.
Okay.
Sure. It's
We're going to dub some audio over this. Our voices will actually be part of your...
Take care.
Thank you.
We'll go to 2. And look at that. Nice.